Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you the basics of Sony Vegas. So now hopefully for you guys watching who don't know much about Sony Vegas, hopefully you can learn something. We're only going to be going over the basic here, so if you do want a more advanced tutorial, let me know, but just so you know, this is only the basics really. So this is pretty much how I edit my videos. There's not much to it. First of all, obviously you're going to need to import a video. So go to File, Import, Media, and then this is like the file that I'm using. This is the Sony Vegas tutorial. This is what I'm using for this video. So this is just a random Minecraft video, but when you import videos, they're gonna appear up here. This is like where you can store your videos, and then when you actually want to edit them, all you have to do is click and then drag down here, and then hopefully you can start editing them. It's gonna appear here on your preview screen. You can preview it in full, half or quarter. That's just different qualities pretty much. So but depending on how good your computer is, you can view them in different qualities. So as you can see, if I play it, you'll be able to see it. Now the preview may not be that good quality, but don't worry, once you render it the quality will go up. It's just because it's a preview screen that it may not be very good. But anyway, as you can see, there's two layers here. There's the audio and the video. If you want to change the audio at all you have to do is click this, and then this will change the volume of the audio. There you go. And then if you want to do this, this is going to actually change the transparency of your video. Is that the right word? I'm not too sure, but that, obviously, you can see the more you go down here, the darker the video gets, and that's all that does really. Now, if you want to, as you can see, when I move these, if you want to separate the two videos, because they're together at the moment, if you want to separate them, all you have to do, click on it and press U. Once you do that, the videos shall be they'll be disconnected, and you can do whatever. But I would recommend keeping them together, just so everything's nice and together. Now, this is the audio layer. This is the video layer. If you want to add another audio layer, which say if you want to add music or something, which I usually do, you go to Media again, and then import the music. Once again, it's going to appear up here. All you have to do, drag down here, and then you'll be able to see that the audio has been inserted. Now you can see it's far too long for the actual video. So to split the video and cut this bit off, all you have to do, click here, it will line up automatically usually, and then click S. That's going to split the two videos. Well, split the clips. So say if I wanted to split this whole thing, click S, and it's going to split everything. So there you go. But Control Z to undo that. There you go. But anyway, now all you want to do, click delete, and then everything should be lined up there with your audio and the video. Now, if I scroll wheel and zoom in, you can see that I can actually fade the video. So if we go back to the beginning, I can actually fade the video. So if you see at the moment, there's no fade whatsoever. Actually, that's quite loud, so I'm going to turn that down to about 22, I'd say. Actually, 20 seems alright. And then this is, you can hear like a slight echo in the background, so I'm going to turn this audio off. There we go, that sounds much better. But anyway, to add the fade, like I was saying, to the audio, all you want to do, see this the corner of it, click it, and then drag it in, and that will add a slight fade. You can also do this to the actual video. You can click the corner, and it will bring a fade. So say, you watch it now, you can see it's faded, and you can make this longer. You can make this quite long if you want, so there we go. See that, and it will just fade it in, and it looks quite nice. I do quite like the fade feature. There we go. So say, and what else do I need to show you guys? There's definitely, oh yeah, disable resample. So automatically when you import videos to Sony Vegas, so if you go properties, it will go to smart resample. You want to change this to disable resample. This makes the video quality a lot better. I don't know why Sony Vegas has it to smart resample. Just make sure you change it to disable resample, and it will just make your videos look a bit better. You can also change the video properties here. So if you click this little button here, you can change everything here. I've got mine set to 1920 by 1080, so obviously that's 1080p. I've got the frame rate set to 60 FPS, and you can choose where you render your videos to. You can choose, just mess around with this if you want. I wouldn't recommend messing around with it too much, just probably the resolution and the frame rate are all you need to change here. And then finally, once you're sorted with all of that, you can go ahead and render it. So to render a video, you go File, Render As, and then, so what should we call it? Just Sony Vegas tutorial. There we go. So obviously you can choose here where you want to actually save your videos to. But now, to actually render it in the best quality, go to Main Concept, AVC, AAC, and click this little down button. And usually you can just use Internet HD 1080, and then you can see it's got quite good setting. But you can actually customize it. So I've got mine for YouTube HD 60 FPS. So now you can see my customized template is actually, that needs to be 59 if you want it to be 60 FPS. But pretty much copy my render settings here if you want really good quality. You might want to change the bitrate down a bit depending on how good your quality of your computer actually is, because it can take a bit longer to render if your computer isn't very good quality. So just change the bitrate down if you want to, or the frame rate. I would definitely go no lower than 720p. Definitely 720p or higher. I've got mine to 1080, like I said. And once you've done all that, oh sorry, let me go customize. You just save it, and then OK, and then you can start to render. And there you go. The render time depends on, again, how good your computer is. Usually a 10-minute video would take about half an hour to 40 minutes for me. Obviously you can see this is a really short video, so it's not going to take long at all. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Hopefully you found it helpful. Like I said, if you do want me to do a more advanced Sony Vegas tutorial, let me know. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.